In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save work in Adobe Express Cloud. By the end, you'll feel confident that your progress is safe without having to click a single save button. First, open your project in Adobe Express. This can be a graphic, a short video, a presentation, anything you're working on in the editor. Once your project is open, jump right into your edits. Add or adjust text, swap out images, tweak colors, trim video clips, or rearrange elements. Work naturally, just as you would in any creative tool. As you make changes, keep an eye on the top bar of the editor. Up there, you'll notice a small status indicator that alternates between saving and saved. Saving appears when Adobe Express is capturing your latest change and backing it up. Saved means your current edits have been stored. This happens automatically and continuously, so there's no need to hunt for a save button or worry about missing that last adjustment. That's the core idea. Adobe Express auto-saves your work to the cloud. Every edit you make is secured as you go, which is especially helpful if you switch devices or step away unexpectedly. If you ever make a change and don't immediately see saved, give it a moment. Larger edits or slower connections can take a few seconds to sync. Watching for that saved indicator before closing your browser tab is a simple way to ensure your most recent changes are safely stored. If you want to rename your project so it's easier to find later, click the project name at the top of the editor and type a new name. Choose something descriptive so you can instantly recognize it, like the client name, campaign, or date. The name updates in place, and there's nothing else you need to do. When you're ready to revisit your project, you can access it anytime from your Stuff, sometimes labeled Projects, on any device where you open Adobe Express. Because your work is saved in the cloud, the most up-to-date version is waiting for you. This makes it simple to start on a laptop, make a quick tweak on a tablet, and review on a desktop without transferring files. To recap the flow you'll use every time, open your project, make your edits, watch the top bar for saving. To switch to saved, rename the project if you want a clearer title, and find it later under your Stuff or Projects. That's all there is to it. Fast, reliable, and automatic.